Hey guys, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we are back with another feature video on the details of the obstacle avoidance system on board the Autel Alpha. The Autel Alpha has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which will help keep you safe while flying missions during the day or in the middle of the night. The Alpha integrates a multi-sensor fusion perception technology of binocular fisheye vision plus millimeter wave radar. I know you're saying, Chris, please speak English and let's slow this down. We're gonna simplify this for you. Most drones on the market utilize onboard cameras for obstacle avoidance, which means if the camera cannot see it, you will run into it. If it's dark outside and there's a tree or obstacle in the way, your drone will become fast friends with that object. Where the Alpha ups the game is the millimeter wave radar. If you've been to the airport recently and you stood in the chamber with your hands in the air at TSA, you've been around millimeter wave technology. Basically, it can see in the dark and you can think of it almost like a radar or a LiDAR. On the Alpha, there are 10 fisheye cameras plus 6 directional millimeter wave radars. Unlike the Evo Max 4T and the 4N, the millimeter wave radar on the Alpha extends to the left and the right, so you are covered from all sides, top, bottom, and all around. Unlike other obstacle avoidance cameras on drones, the Alpha utilizes a fisheye lens, which offers a more broad coverage area, allowing it to see every square millimeter around the drone. Now, technology is not perfect, and we still caution you to fly with safety in mind and know your area of operation. You can rest assured that you have the best obstacle avoidance on the market, protecting your Autel Alpha while it's in the air. Stay tuned for more information on the Autel Alpha by clicking that subscribe button below, and if you want to order your Autel Alpha, click on the link in the description. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.